Best Beginner Adventure Motorcycle 2025 Honda CRF300L Rally. For new riders looking to venture into the world of adventure motorcycling, the 2025 Honda CRF300L Rally stands out as one of the best options. Combining lightweight handling, off-road capability, and long-distance comfort, this bike is a perfect entry point for those seeking a versatile and beginner-friendly adventure motorcycle. A lightweight and manageable adventure bike. One of the most important factors for beginner riders is ease of handling, and the Honda CRF300L Rally excels in this department. With a lightweight frame and a manageable 286 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, the bike is nimble, forgiving, and easy to control, whether on paved roads or rough trails. Honda has designed the CRF300L Rally to be a true dual-sport motorcycle, meaning it performs equally well on highways and dirt tracks. The engine produces around 27 horsepower and 26.6 Newton-meters of torque, offering just the right amount of power for new riders without being intimidating. Its 6-speed transmission provides smooth gear changes, making it a great bike for long highway stretches as well as technical off-road sections. Plus, with fuel injection and liquid cooling, the CRF300L Rally is built for reliability and efficiency. Adventure-ready features for beginners. The 2025 Honda CRF300L Rally comes with a range of features that make it perfect for adventure touring. Long travel suspension, with 43mm show of front forks and a Pro-Link rear shock, the bike easily absorbs bumps in rough terrain, providing a comfortable ride. Large 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, these help maintain stability and traction on uneven surfaces, a crucial aspect for adventure riding. Comfortable seat and wind protection. Unlike the standard CRF300L, the Rally model includes a larger front fairing and windscreen, making highway travel more comfortable by reducing wind fatigue. Generous 12.8-liter fuel tank offers an impressive range of over 250 miles, 400 kilometers, perfect for long-distance touring. Why the CRF300L Rally is perfect for beginners. The CRF300L Rally is designed to be a confidence-inspiring motorcycle. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and has a low seat height of 885 mm, making it more accessible to shorter riders than some larger adventure bikes. Additionally, its affordable price tag and low maintenance costs make it an attractive option for new riders who don't want to break the bank. Honda's legendary reliability means that beginners can focus on enjoying their rides without worrying about mechanical issues. Conclusion: a great entry-level adventure machine. For those looking to start their adventure motorcycling journey, the 2025 Honda CRF300L Rally is one of the best beginner adventure bikes available. With its lightweight chassis, forgiving power delivery, excellent off-road capability, and long-distance comfort, it provides everything a new rider needs to explore both paved roads and rugged trails with confidence.